Far away from all the noise and speed, I found a place where my heart can breathe. The world stands still, the hills are green, a gentle voice calls out to me. Let the mountains breathe, let the river flow. In the calm I find everything I need to know. Here among the trees, under skies so wide, I remember what it feels like just to be alive. Footsteps on a path of stone and moss, every worry fades, no sense of loss. The